Okay guys, it is almost the end of the year and I'd like to reflect on the past year and what I've achieved versus what I wanted to achieve. So I've had an absolutely incredible year this year. Now at the start of this year I permanently relocated and retired to Malta. It's been absolutely incredible. You know, I've moved to a very small little town on the island. It's absolutely incredible. And I'm very grateful, I'm very, very thankful because I truly have an absolutely amazing life. I am living the life that I've dreamt about for many years, and it's all through trading the stock market, okay? It's all through day trading. I'm just lost for words, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm the happiest I've ever been in my life. You know, what I've achieved this year has been truly incredible. You know, one of my main goals was to retire to a Mediterranean island. I'd done it at the start of the year, at the 8th of January, at the very start of the year. I made my biggest move and it's just been incredible. You know, I've been here for, coming up next month it'll be a year, so a full year in Malta. And I've achieved amazing things since I've been here, truly amazing things. It's just, you know, I literally do live my dream. Every single day I wake up, you know, I just have a smile on my face. And listen, it's there for everybody to achieve. You know, I've made videos in the past about what it takes to get to my level. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about me celebrating my successes. And it truly has been an incredible year. You know, I've travelled. You know, one of my favourite countries to go to is Italy, so I've been to Italy twice, and it's just incredible. And this is all available through trading the stock market. You know, I recently came back from Dublin, Ireland, to visit family, and I wouldn't be able to do these things if it wasn't for trading. You know, I went to Dublin, bought a brand new laptop, brand new iPhone, and it's incredible just to be able to pick these things up. Not even caring what the cost is. I want it, I need it, I'll have it. It's truly incredible. And you know, one of my biggest achievements is the Sambora trading community. So the community's been running for just over 2 years now. And every single month, without fail, every single month, new students come on board from all over the world. And a lot of students hear about the Sambora trading community from fellow students, which is absolutely incredible. So it's a testament to the success of my trading community. And after 2 years, we're still going strong. As I said, every single month we've got new traders coming on board. You know, and not so long ago we had 600 traders. Well, now we have 660 something. I think it was 664 the last I checked. So in the last few months we've had the best part of over 60 traders joining the Sambora trading community. And it's truly been a wonderful success. I have over a dozen students that are now also full-time traders. And it's just incredible what I've achieved. And it's good to reflect on what you've actually achieved in that year. Next year, I'm gonna move things even bigger. You know, there's something very special happening at the end of, probably the end of March next year. I've got something very big, life-changing happening, and this is what we continue to do. You know, and nothing will stop me. You know, I'm, from a psychological standpoint, I don't know anybody that has the mind that I do in terms of just refusing to do anything but win, because that's what I am. I'm a winner, and winners win. Losers lose, winners win. I am a winner. Okay, and so can you be if you learn to use your mind the correct way. You know, there's many challenges. I've had many challenges over the years. I've even had challenges this year, but not one of them things slows me down or stops me. You know, I still walk around with a smile on my face. You get challenges, it's part of life. I overcome every single challenge that comes up against me, no matter how big, no matter how small. It's irrelevant. I just break through them. I literally smash through them and then just continue to win. I win every single day. The moment I wake up, I'm winning. When I go to bed, I'm winning. And that's the mindset that you must have. Nothing can beat me. Absolutely nothing or nobody can beat me. The only person that can beat me is myself. That's it. Everybody else out there is irrelevant. Any obstacles, as I said, I just smash through them. And this is the mindset that you must have. You know, if you want to achieve greatness, if you want to achieve what I've achieved, you have to believe that nobody or anything can stop you from doing what you are wanting to do. You know, and over the years, with the challenges, you know, that I've came up against, a lot of people would have given up. Yeah, a lot of people would have. But I've trained my mind to be a winner, and that's all I do every day is win. The moment I wake up and get out of bed, I'm winning. And you can do this too. I think it's important to understand that, you know, you can achieve what I've achieved. It takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, but the most important thing is training your mind. That's the most important element of this. So I'm not going to go on too much. I just wanted to put this video out towards the end of the year. I'm still here with my YouTube channel. That still grows on a regular basis. The Sambora trading community continues to grow on a regular basis. I've been a public figure now for over 2.5 years. We're still going strong. Every single day we're pushing the envelope, every single week, every single month. You know, over 2 years now the Sambora trading community continues to grow. And I'm very proud of it. And it's wonderful to see my community just grow stronger. Every single day we're growing stronger. I'm bringing new elements to the community to help my students even more. I'm totally dedicated to my students. I provide live commentary 10 times per week, 2 times per day. Once we're finished scalping the open, I will let my students know exactly what I'm looking for in terms of intraday trading. So the support that I'm giving my students is incredible. I don't know any other mentor out there that puts in the time that I do, the live commentary, etc, etc. So, to all of you that follow me out there, truly appreciate your support. You know, I get wonderful messages all the time of support from a lot of you out there, so thank you so much. And if you haven't achieved what you wanted to achieve in 2022, do not let that put you off. Hit next year with the same mindset that you will not fail. And if you continue to have that mindset, and if you do not allow anything else to stop you doing what you want to do, you will eventually get there, like me. So it's been an amazing year. I'm the happiest guy walking this planet, I can assure you. Every day I live my dream. So I'm going to go, I'm going to celebrate a beautiful Cuban cigar. Next year, I'm going to continue to smash it, and I hope you do as well. So have a good Christmas, Happy New Year, and do not let anybody stop you from doing what you are wanting to do, because I sure as hell don't. If you want to join the Sambora trading community, you can DM me on my Instagram, sambora.00, or you can email me, eduardosambora@yahoo.com, and you can join the winning team. You can join the team of students that are full-time, over a dozen of them, the rest of them still on a journey. They will get there eventually, as long as they don't give up. Thanks for watching, and see you again very soon for another video.